Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I just went to the library because I had this on hold. It finally got here. I'm very excited. Pasta Grannies. Besides the fact I'm addicted to shopping for cookbooks, I'm probably addicted to pasta. Like I could eat it every day. I'm not even Italian, I'm Scottish. What's up with that? Vicky Benison, The Secrets of Italy's Best Home Cooks. Now, I have to confess, my boyfriend gets tired of having pasta so many times a week, so I have to make him something else. So, for the meals that I'm not eating with him, I'm going to make pasta from this cookbook. Photography by Emma Lee, and the publisher is Hardy Grant Books. And I really like the way this book looks, and I love that the edges are red. It's just very homey and Italian. So let's check out the chapters. Chapter 1, Nuts and Herbs, Vegetables. Chapter 3, Pulses. Is that lentils? Chapter 4, Potato and Gnocchi. Seafood, meat, pasta in brodo. Don't know what that means. I'm sure they'll let me know. Chapter 8, Ravioli and Tortelli. Okay, and here's some pictures, I assume, of Italy or Sicily. Introduction, here's some Pasta Grannies. You can read more about them when you check this out from the library or buy it. Introduction on making pasta by hand. Yeah, I just took a couple classes on how to do that. I have not made it since I got home from the classes, but to be fair, it was the holidays, it was busy, I was cooking other things that do not involve handmade pasta for a huge family gathering. No time. How to make the dough, frequently asked questions, beautiful photography. Okay. Kind of hard to turn these pages. Wow, we still are not into it. Okay, now we're into some recipes. Mauricio's Pasta alla Genovese. Lots of instructions. Okay. The thing I like about Italian cookbooks is there's no ingredients that are hard to find. All of your grocery stores are going to have everything you need. That one has basil and pine nuts. Ooh, yum. I just saw some pine nuts. Pasqualina and Maria's tagliatelle with tomato and anchovy sauce. Lots of pasta recipes. Oh, vegetables. Let's take a peek and see what they're doing. Margarita's Kavadi with spring vegetables. That looks like a good healthy eating. I love that they have pictures of the grannies. Maria's Ravioli with red peppers. Never heard of such a thing. Giuseppa's fingernail pasta with tomato sauce, and there she is cutting the pasta with her fingernails. Whoa! Maria's Sagne? I don't know, with broccoli and tomato sauce. Okay. This is lovingly put together. I really enjoy this. I'm liking this a lot. Well, this is one of the cookbooks. There's so much going on. You could just sit down and read it too. Giuseppa's Peachy with tomato garlic sauce. I need to study up on my Italian pasta names. Lots of types of pasta I've never heard of. I'm getting hungry. Marika's Strapponi with porcini mushrooms. I don't know what strapponi is. They're saying make the pasta dough as described on page blah blah blah. Okay, they want you to work for it in this book. Well, I'm not making weeknight handmade homemade pasta. Ada's taglioli and bean soup. I don't want to show you every picture, so I'm going to skip ahead. I don't want to ruin anyone's surprises. But look at the cute Pasta Grannies. Okay. Wonderful cookbook. Okay. And here's a soup called Manatee? Feel free to correct me in the comments below. I don't know how to pronounce these. Domenica's potato gnocchi with tomato sauce. Yum. I have enough gnocchi recipes in my other cookbooks, so I probably will leave that one alone and go to something more interesting else. Oh, this is fascinating. And another pasta granny. Lucia's Sagne with breadcrumb dumplings. Oh, spinach and ricotta gnudi. Yum. Let's get... That looks like a lot of work. It really does. Okay, that would be like a Sunday. Meat chapters I'm going to skip through real fast because I'm vegetarian. But ragu... I actually had to flee a recent cooking class I took when they started making the beef ragu. I couldn't stand the smell, but I'm glad everyone else enjoyed it. And I fled gracefully and quietly. Did not throw a scene. Pasta with gypsy sauce. Ooh, I think I see lots of cheese on there. Who's hungry now for, I'm assuming that's lasagna. Oh, pepperell with liver. Yeah. So this is how to add all these meats to the pasta. Getting down to the end, I'm sure there's no dessert pasta. Meat stock, tortellini and broth, meat ravioli from Parma. Wonderful. So you get the gist. Wow, that is big and heavy. It is really cool. If you know someone who likes Italian cooking, that would be a great gift. And they probably haven't heard of it because it just came out in October. So that was a quick look through of Pasta Grannies. Do you own this cookbook? Have you made anything out of it? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.